Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. What you have here is an installation volume calculation sheet. You can use it for helping you do your calculations to work out the volume in a commercial site. So it's all listed here, but you still will need to use a gas reference book to work out other things such as smallest occupied space, allowable drop, etc. Feel free to print screen it or make your own. I'll give you an example. So I've print screened image and then I can edit. So I can crop it. Hopefully it doesn't diminish the quality. And then I can save and print it off myself. So I hope that this has helped you. It's a nice way of working it out in a clear way. You can write it down on paper, but I find that in this chart here, it keeps it all organized and makes it more simplified. Okay, thank you. Bye.